Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Google Chrome not loading or refreshing web page by enabling JavaScript on Google Chrome. Look, I am going to load facebook.com. Look, Facebook is not loading here, but I have internet and I'm trying to open to Microsoft Edge browser and I'm trying to load Facebook. Look, Facebook is working here. The Facebook is working here in Microsoft Edge. But whenever I trying to open Facebook in Google Chrome, but it's not loading. The problem is with JavaScript is not enabled in my Google Chrome. Look, the JavaScript was blocked on this page. Now I'm going to show you how to enable JavaScript. Click on three dot icon here. Click on settings. In search settings, type JavaScript. Click on site settings. Now scroll down. Look, this is the JavaScript. Click on JavaScript. And now click on site can use JavaScript. Okay. Now close settings tab. And now try to load Facebook. Look, now Facebook is loaded successfully. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.